Hey, what's up, guys? We're on bus 3168. It's it's the 2018 ICCE Shorty bus Safeway, and it's a 24 passenger bus today. It's a small size bus. And Melina is our bus driver now, and we have Tom. We have Tom. Hi, Tom. Tom is sitting next to Luke. Hey, Luke. Look, we got the Jolie and Taylor.
Hi.
Look, Melanie, and we have Nico. Libby's behind me. Hey, Libby.
Hi.
And we have Charlie behind Libby. Hi, Charlie. And we have Alex. Hello. And we have Karel, and we have Ella. And Ella's in the back. And we got Kai. Hi. Yes, and Ella. You got the big, yes, it's a very nice bus.
We've gotten everybody. Yeah. That's really lucky though. So this one. It's 29 minutes, if it sounds right. It's in Vernon Hills, I
Does Karen, the hog camp counselor, work for that company? It's Alessio Brothers Demolition Company. So, Mr. Tom, do you think Karen, the camp counselor, works for that demolition company named Alessio?
I don't think she does, no. I don't think so.
Stop.
What's wrong?
I don't want it. Is this the... Stop. Stop it. Stop. Let's calm down, Luke. Why are we going this way?
Twist is taking us to college. College. Is that not the Lake County College? Said it on the sign.
We're taking a scenic route today.
The best way to go.
Like the N60. Order the 20. I need to go. Don't want. Oh no! Look, it's still banging.
They say the same thing. Ooh, that was loud. Ooh, that was loud. Ooh, that was loud. Ow.
What are you doing with your hand?
Out now. Look, stop.
Water park?
No.
Almost there.
You want to slide? No. Okay. Oh, wow.
You're gonna go on the water side? Yeah.
Should we go on the small ones?
Yeah. You
But it's fine. Whatever you
Sam, calm down. Forecasting and there. Forecasting. Look, there's a Verdant Hill station we're going by.
Oh my god.
No. Get off out of it. Yeah.
He thought we were going to get on swing together.
Well, they
Go
were
back.
all saying about it, right? So they were saying I was like the person who
Oh, we're taking a long route too. I think we're almost there.
I'm so scarred. Like, I was driving one time and like everyone was just like braking like a normal, you know, everyone's just braking. And this car didn't slow down like behind me, and I got so scared. And it slammed on its brake. This right behind me, you could hear the screech of the tires. And now I've been traumatized since. It didn't hit me, but we both were like frozen for a second, like. Because I wasn't sure if he hit me or not, because I was like, maybe he tapped me, and I don't think he knew, but he didn't, so we both drove away. But now I'm like scared. Every time like a car like isn't slowing down me, I get so nervous and I like hit my wheel because I'm like traumatized. I'm like really worried now. I don't trust anyone.
Take a ride.
Some things you just can't avoid them. You know?
Charlie, stop.
It's either gonna happen or it's not.
It scared me so bad. I think it would have scared me more if he actually did hit me.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
But
Thank goodness you didn't.
it's a Porsche though, so I know.
But usually it's the person in front. If you get rear-ended, it's the person in front's fault.
What? No, it's the person behind's fault because they were
person in front.
No, if you get rear-ended, it's the person behind you's fault usually, right? Okay, well it wouldn't have been my fault because his brakes screeched. No, I thought it was usually the person's behind fault because they're not paying attention.
I thought it was the person in front because they're not paying attention, so then they slam on their brakes, which makes the person behind you come into you.
Oh, I don't know. Oh, this is cool. It's so cool.
This is a nice one. But this is just a car.
No, I'm like the sound, the headlight sounds.
Oh,
They're all throughout the street.
oh nice.
It's, oh my Wait, these are all people that like these random ones?
I don't know.
Or just like people just on it?
Can't tell.
We're almost there, Tom. So 20. The capacity is 24 passengers. It's a. There's Hawthorne South Elementary School. And there's Aspen Elementary School over there. There are 2 elementary schools over here.
That is a big elementary school.
Yeah, it's a very big elementary school.
Looks like Shaboni.
Thank you.
What? Oh, yeah. Is that another school?
Middle school.
Okay, so they're all next to each other?
And there's the buses over there.
Oh, and there's the preschool. What? There's the preschool. Right there, Little Leonard's preschool. Oh.
I don't understand why the elementary school split it too.
Look, elementary school buses. Look. Look, Compass transportation buses. Look, Grand Prairie Transit buses. That's very cool. All right, guys, we're at Turn Out Creek. So that's it, and thanks for watching. Peace out.